Well, I'm back with a follow-up video for this mini jumpstart breakfast that I prepared for my family. And as I mentioned in the previous video, that this plate here is actually for my mother. And so what we have here are four flourless banana pancakes, and they are actually flavored with vanilla and also cinnamon. And then we have two chicken maple sausages, and then we have a fruit tray, and we have oranges and white grapes. And so I just want to share also how I prepared the banana pancakes. So you take a banana in a half and mash it up. It needs to be a ripe banana, and you mash it up, and then you can add your flavoring, whether it's vanilla, cinnamon, just any spice that you desire, or you can just have them plain. And after you mash it up really, really well, then you add your egg and you mix your egg in. Now, you can choose to add maybe a little tap of flour. If you want to thicken them up a little bit, you can add whether regular flour or coconut flour or almond flour. So those are options, healthier options. And so you can just put just a little. I wouldn't put a lot, in there. And then once you mix those up really well, then just oil your pan like you normally would for pancakes, and it's the same process. So I'll have a recipe below in the description so you can be able to follow that recipe, but it's very, very simple, and it's just a healthier way definitely to get your morning started. So I just wanted to be able to share this with you. Again, we have vanilla cinnamon banana pancakes, and chicken maple sausages, and orange wedges, and also white grapes. And so again, there'll be the recipe below in the description, and just also a link to the playlist. So just wanted to share this, and wishing you a good day, and I'll be back with more simple videos soon.